Hello everyone, in this video given is a triangle which is divided by in 8 parts by 7 parallel lines in such a way that height of each strip is similar. If this seventh strip is shaded and its area is 65 centimeter square, then by this limited data we have to find the area of this triangle. Let we move toward the solution. First of all, we label this triangle as ABC and some other required points as P, Q, R, S, T and V. From here we can see that these all angles are similar, and moreover this angle A is the same for all triangles. If we have different triangles such as APQ, ARS, ATV, ABC, and in the similar manner we have different triangles. These angles are same in each triangle and this A is common angle, so by angle similarity all the triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, then the ratio between areas of the triangle is equal to the square of the ratios of the triangle. So if we consider first two triangles APQ and ARS, so ratio between areas of these two triangles is equal to AP over AR square. Since height of this triangle is H and this strip is also H, so height of these two triangles are in ratio 1:2, then definitely their sides must be in ratio 1:2, and thus this is equal to 1 over 2 whole square, which is equal to 1 over 4. Let we call the area of this smaller triangle APQ as X, then area of ARS will be 4x. Now since this whole area is 4x, this area is x, it means this area is 3x. Now we consider the ratio between triangles APQ and ATV in the same manner. Now these sides are in 1:3, so this is equal to 1 over 3 square, which is equal to 1 over 9, and thus area of this triangle ATV is 9x. Since this whole area is 9x and this area ARS is 4x, so this area RSTV will be 5x. And in the similar manner, if we go on proceeding, this area will be 7x, this area will be 9x, this area will be 11x, this area will be 13x, and so on. Since 13x is equal to 65, so this implies that x is equal to 5 square units. Now we take the ratio between the triangle APQ and ABC. In the same manner, this will be, since there are 8 parts, so this will be equal to 1 over 8 square and hence equal to 1 over 64. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to 64x and x is equal to 5, so substituting the value of x as 5, we will get area of the triangle ABC is equal to 320 centimeter squares. That is the answer. Thank you for watching.